Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Many of you have asked for healthy recipes and today I'm going to share a wonderful guilt-free, protein-rich sweet recipe. This is green gram payasam. This has got a lot of lovely flavors and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Let's get started and check it out. So for this recipe I've taken 1 cup of green gram dal. Now this is a 250 ml cup. So I've used the whole green gram. Roast it for about 5 minutes till you get a nice aroma and it's lightly golden in color. So you can see the green gram is roasted beautifully. It's got that lovely light golden color to it. Turn off the stove and keep it aside. So next we're going to pressure cook the green gram. Pour enough water so that the green gram is completely immersed. Cook on low flame for about 6 whistles. So you can see the green gram is cooked beautifully. So next I'm going to roast some cashew nuts, raisins and pieces of coconut to the pan. Add about a teaspoon of ghee. Just we'll roast some raisins. Once the raisins plump up, remove them from the pan and keep it aside. Just add a little more ghee. Roast some cashew nuts. So the cashew nuts are roasted. Remove them and keep it aside. Add another teaspoon of ghee. So next I'm going to add a few pieces of coconut. These are small bits. This is fresh coconut. It's been chopped into small pieces. So once the coconut bits turn to a nice golden color, remove them and keep it aside. Next, to melt the jaggery, to the saucepan add half cup of water. Add 1.5 cups of jaggery. It's a 250 ml cup measurement. Once the jaggery completely dissolves, keep it aside. Next, take a nice deep pot. To this, I'm going to transfer the cooked green gram. So strain the melted jaggery. Strain the melted jaggery into the cooked green gram. So you can see the color is nice and rich. It's got a lovely rich brown color. Since we've roasted the green gram to a lovely golden brown color, it's taken up this color. So after about 2 to 3 minutes, add 1 cup of boiled and cooled milk. Let this cook for about 5 minutes on low flame. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Add the roasted cashew nuts. Add the roasted coconut pieces. Add the raisins. Mix everything. So finally, turn off the stove. So I'm adding about half cup of thick coconut milk. So this is optional. If you don't want to use coconut milk, you can just add the regular milk and finish off the payasam. So coconut milk will give you a nice flavor. If you don't have coconut milk, don't worry about it. You can make this payasam, that is the kheer, even without the coconut milk. So there is a healthy, protein-rich recipe that you can enjoy every time you're craving for something sweet. Do try it, enjoy it, share it with your family and friends and let me know how it turned out for you guys.